So we're here in Albuquerque, New Mexico, and we are on our Great Southwest trip. And we've been on the road for several days, and we landed here in Albuquerque for a 2-day rest so we could look around. And we just had to come to see where the Great Balloon Fest is.
Nothing gonna stop me living it up, dancing to the backbeat, turning it up. Nothing gonna stop me living it up, dancing to the backbeat, turning it up.
After being with some folks who are into ballooning this past weekend, we knew we were coming this way and just had to stop by here in Albuquerque and check this out. One of these days, in years to come, we plan to come here and take in the balloon festival. We've heard incredible things about it.
And those two balloonists that we talked to, and if you have not seen that video, it really is a must, because even though they didn't get to fly, no one got to fly the balloons that day, and you could look at us and you could see why, because I look like a wet rat, but they really went through what it meant to fly a balloon, how safe it is. It's a great video just to hear them talk about it, and both of them have been here and they're coming back in October.
We hope you'll take some time and watch the balloon video and get to meet these individuals. Maybe you'll see them here as they come for the big balloon fest. I think he said there's like over 600 balloons.
He did this year.
So enjoy the adventure across the Southwest with us. We've had rain, but we've not had some of the heat that we were concerned about.
Right.
And it has just been a great trip along the way, and met some incredible, friendly folks in the RV tribe.
We'll have several videos to get us all the way to Tucson.
So from the best of us,
The Floros,
to the best of you, we hope that your travels are great this year, and get out and explore. It is a beautiful land.
Oh, it is. Bye-bye.
Bye now.